welcome to today's video. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, but my friends call me Min. If you're not new here, thanks for joining again. To kick off 2021, I do have a giveaway going on, which I will leave linked at the end of this video. If you haven't already entered, definitely go watch that after this one. But for a goal for 2021, I guess, is to try to use up some of my older makeup that I don't ever grab for anymore. So in lieu of that, I'm doing my very first Throwback Thursday video. And the product I picked to use first is this good old Too Faced. This is the chocolate gold palette. I remember when this came out, I just absolutely had to have it. And then I never used it. I mean, I think I used it like twice. You can see the shades. Some of those shades I've never even used. I've only swatched. So it's gonna be fun. It smells so good. These, even after all these years, it still smells like chocolate. That's amazing. But yeah, enough talking. Let's hop right into creating this beautiful look that I have on right here. So we're just gonna hop right into it. I'm going to start off with rolling in the dough, and I'm going to use that just to kind of set my eye. I'm then going in with Cocoa Truffle. I'm then going to take a bit of Decadent, and I really just want to deepen the outer corner with it. Going in with a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going to take Live-In Lavish, and I'm going to use it wet. And I'm keeping it more so just in the very center. Now in with Rich Girl, again wet with MAC Fix Plus. And I'm putting this in the very inner. I'm going to go in with So Bougie, and I'm just going to soften around some edges. Underneath, I'm going to take Live-In Lavish and a little bit of Decadent. And for the highlight in the inner corner, I'm taking Dripping Diamonds. I'm going to quickly jump off and finish the eyes with a liner and mascara, and I'll be back. Okay, the eyes are finished, and I gotta say, guys, I don't know why I haven't used this palette more. I'm actually really liking the pinks and things like that. The colors blended together beautifully. They're vibrant, and the amount of different colors in there, I mean, you can create a lot of different looks. I'm gonna have to keep this one out in my daily drawer because I definitely want to play with that a little bit more. All in all, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this look, and if Throwback Thursdays is something that you want to continue to see. If no one wants to see it, there's no point in really doing them, so let me know. And yes, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Go hit that subscribe button down below, and if you want to be notified of upcoming videos, then hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.